Hey, 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 my YouTube family. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, my daughter discovered that we had more of the fruit pulp in the freezer. Now I'm surprising her. I'm preparing for us creamy mango smoothies. If you want to see how I achieve these, then let's do it. I must acknowledge the presence of all of my wonderful subscribers. You are the best, especially those who are always coming back. You will forever be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. To my viewers, you're watching, you're following me, but haven't made up your minds as yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. I also have a few links in the description box if you want to support us. Please check them out. There is one for if you want to be a patron of this channel, as well as PayPal. There's also a link there for my merch shop as well as my Amazon store. I'm an affiliate. If you want to purchase something, I would receive a small commission at no charge to you. Please support and continue watching. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. God bless you. God bless bless you, and I will see you in the next one.